In this session, I will explain about the Go syntax and Go comments. In Go syntax, a Go file consists of these four parts. First one is a package declaration, second, import packages, third, functions, fourth, statements and expressions. I will explain these four parts with a Go program. First, I will create a file with the Go extension. In line number 1, we write the package keyword for including the package. Every Go program is a part of a package. We define this using the package keyword. In this example, the program belongs to the main package. In line number 3, import fmt, which is used to import the import keyword, which is used to import a package. Here we import fmt package. Fmt package mainly used to print or print the data. In line number 7, so function declarations. Func is the keyword which is used to declare a function. Any code inside it is a curly brackets, it will executed. fmt.println is a function made available from the fmt package. It is used to output or print the text. In our example, it will output hello world. I'll run the code. Go run command is used to run a Go file. Hello world is print by using the fmt.println functions. This is the main Go syntax we are used in Go. We are used in every Go programming. Next one is a Go comments. A comment is a text that is ignored upon executions. Comments which is used to explain the code, so it's make our code is more readable. In Go, it support the single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line comments means you start with this two forward slashes. In multi-line comments, which is start with the slash asterisk and end with the asterisk and the slash. Here I show the simple example. Like if I use the double slash comment, it does not take the code in Go programming executions. Like if I try the print the data here, this data doesn't take in execute this file. If I want to comment more than one lines, so suppose I have a set of code, then I want to comment that code, so I'll use the multi-line comment. After that, we'll take the execution. here I print the two hello world, so it will take the execution. If I comment this line also, then again take in executions. This is a syntax and the Go commands we are used in the Go programming language.